Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this game requires 6 GB of video memory in WWE 2K26 game. So if you're getting this error in the WWE 2K26 game, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the game requirements. Make sure your PC has 6 GB of video memory. Now if your PC has less than 6 GB of video memory, then you can't fix this error. So to check the game requirements, go to the Steam web page of WWE 2K26 game and scroll down and check the system requirements. You can see additional notes. GPU must have at least 6 GB of video memory. So here how to check if your PC has 6 GB of video memory or not. In Windows search, type Task Manager and open it. Then go to the Performance tab and then scroll down and here you will see GPU. Click on this and here you can see dedicated GPU memory 6 GB. So my PC has 6 GB, but in your case if it is less than 6 GB, then you can't run the game. Now if your PC meet this 6 GB of video memory and if still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. You have to go to the C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, WWE 2K26 folder, and then select this WWE 2K26 underscore x64 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it and next to GPU preference, select the high performance. And then you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Expand the display adapters. Here it is, expand the display adapters. This is the integrated graphic card. Right click on it and then select disable device. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, you can enable the integrated graphic card driver. So after playing the game, right click on this integrated graphic card and then select enable device. You will see the enable device option. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. And if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down and enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then select the custom advanced option. Check mark this and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box. And then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once again. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the WWE 2K26 game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve this game requires 6 GB of video memory error in WWE 2K26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.